Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, it's my parkour fail. It happened again.
Fuck.
Hola. All good?
So it's actually a lot warmer in Porto than we both thought. Marcio Felipe, a very good precision guy. You have probably seen him in a lot of videos. What is this exactly?
Fake survive.
Have you heard the story that this guy was the first ninja warrior? This is the big secret of Porto. A lot more slippery than you can imagine. It's like this.
So it's Christian's turn. Let's see how his hands work.
1 ton of spit.
Got a hot steak, got a milk, what I make a rapper drop beef like a burger bar waitress. Gun 'em down, gun 'em down, gun 'em down. In the coupe, in the car, proof, crash proof, let 'em down. I'm living proof, make a proof with a round. Not in the booth, in the truth, you a clown. You a proof, let it loose with a sound.
Yes, yes, yes.
You a hoop or do with a pound.
Yes.
I got an army on the phone right now. They in your lobby and they burn whole towns. No match that I know. And every dope rapper's getting corny and old and they know. Listen to their songs that they flow. And hear the whack ass start ignoring the big show.
Get it, get it, get it! Yes!
Nice. In the crib shit looking like a honeycomb. They was all down to the money gone. Crease on my elbow with the funny bone. Bitch, it ain't funny.
Vasquez's brother is not a man.
On the stoop, on the bar stool.
Time comes straight away to the floor.
Bro, you know real stuff starts from squat.
Fuck.
You lose and you lose in the crowd. You don't move and you lose and you drown. You confuse and you frown. But you rich, suck a dick by town. Back with the gang, my hitters.
Yes.
Back on the wall, made the platinum.
Yes.
Switch back with
See, if you're not afraid of climbing, you climb because you're not afraid. Everything is a fucking choice. You're gonna hit this now.
Yeah, it's the compensation to all the bad shit I'm gonna eat. So Marcio told me, I think I'm gonna do this drop free to wake up my legs. Okay, talk about that one, huh?
yeah. With the holes in the chest, got him looking like Swiss cheese. Spark not the best, always bitch please. Park with the glasses, I'm a shit seed.
Did they wake up a little bit?
Yeah, they woke up. Maybe a stick.
Maybe a stick? Here. Just for you, a stick.
I hit my D's, then I leave in the trunk. You wanna leave me to be in my funk. And if I see you even breathe, you get thumped. I'm seat comfortably in the trunk. Can't even see you from the screen in the trunk. You wanna see an MC?
Do you think this is healthy? Write down in the comments below.
Fuck 'em off, fuck 'em off, fuck 'em off.
But it's like I'm not Harry Potter, so the thing is like I can't do this, you know. So otherwise I just fuck this.
Gonna go this way, but he has to go this way. Let's try this technique.
You can definitely do it. Yeah, if you run a little bit more, you can do it.
Yeah, but the angle, bro.
Don't be lazy. Oh yes! Back foot?
No.
No?
No, we already had one.
Webster then?
Okay, come.
Nice.
Now, currently in his gym, pretty tired, didn't have a long night, so I'm probably gonna take a nap quickly and then maybe do another sesh. I don't know. First, a quick nap.
They tryna knock me straight on the top. Ooh, look at the shots. I'm knocking these niggas out spots. Ay, richer or not, and we get richer or not. Ay, richer or not, richer or not. Ay, they tryna knock me straight on the top. Ooh, look at the shots. I'm knocking these niggas out spots. Ay, richer or not, and we get richer or not. Ay, richer or not. I'm knocking these niggas.
I guess it's time to do something.
Fuck yeah, you can definitely do it.
Just because Marcio said it, I'm gonna do one more. So it's time to get back into these downward cat leaves.
Oh shit. That's so fun. That one was better actually. Yes! Yes! Boom!
Pain is not important. Where's the light? Here in Marcio's gym you have to find the light. They have different priorities, like huge jumps and walls. There is a ton, which is awesome. Look, dung 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 dung. But then light is like, not on the rooftop at least.
It's more like you have to experience different things here, like a lot of light, then like some light, and
Different
then no light
areas.
at all. So you just like, that's for more experienced people.
I had a surprising night with 3 girls and Marcio. No, but we had like 3 girls in the bed. That wasn't for me. First time for me, 3 girls in the bed. But they were not human, unfortunately.
Plot twist.
Yeah, they were like dogs.
You can put us in a box and we can still be the happiest ones in the world. Believe us.
So we're waiting for a jam. A jam session should start somewhere here. Until then we're warming up on the super gym tools. Best training, exercise. Don't stop it. We have to show the kids how it's done. Yo! I told you, do it the other way.
Even like that you didn't.
Yeah, even like that, try it. can do.
She a talk to me, and me a talk to she. But the day is coming that we must meet personally. She a talk to me, and me a talk to she. But the day is coming that we must meet
personally. She a talk to me, and me a talk to she. But the day is coming that we must meet personally. She a talk to me, and me a talk to she. But the day is coming that we must meet.
She a talk to me, and me a talk to she. But the day is coming that we must meet personally. She a talk to me, and me a talk to she. But the day is coming that we must meet personally. John apply good brain love down our body. 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 She a talk to me, and me a talk to she. But the day is coming that we must meet personally. She a talk to me, and me a talk to she. But the day is coming that we must meet personally.
That's a rhyme, and that's Marcio Philippe Pine. Action. Aeroporto. Unfortunately, time to leave. Stay tuned, comments, and fuck you. No, but don't forget to like and subscribe and everything that what you need to do when you do it.
And tag 3 friends of yours that maybe like this vlog as well.
Post it as well on
TikTok.
TikTok.